I have been testing out a lot of new makeup that's actually really good, and I couldn't wait to share it with you. The first thing we are going to dive into the new lid lifting treatment serum from City Beauty, and I absolutely love all of their skincare products, particularly their plumping lip gloss. Oh my gosh, that has saved my lips time and time again. But when they reached out to me and asked me to test out this lid lifting serum, I said, yes, please. I do have hooded lids and I do have that extra flappy skin right there. I mean, come on, I'm 54 years old, the jig is up, it's gonna age. I do also have age spots through here, so I couldn't wait to test this out. The amazing thing about this particular product is you can use it twice a day and you can use it under your makeup as an eyeshadow primer. It helps for sagging eyelids, excess creases, fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration. It's also good for normal, oily combination, dry, and sensitive skin types. It's formulated without paraben, mineral oil, phthalates, and sulfates. All you have to do is take a tiny bit out. You can tap it in with your ring finger, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Just take your ring finger and immediately you can see how softening and how smoothing it is on my eyelid. And it actually feels like my lid is lifted. I am amazed by this product, but I want you to see how smooth this is compared to that eye. I feel like it's actually lifted. It's amazing. And if you want to use it as an eyeshadow primer, which I actually do, you only have to wait 60 seconds. So we're just going to go ahead and apply this to my other eye, tap it in very gently because this is the thinnest skin on your entire face. So you definitely want to be gentle. And just tap it in. And immediately I feel like a lifted effect. It just creates such a smooth canvas. It actually smooths it out. It really feels like silk. I don't feel any sagginess. I don't feel any wrinkles anymore. But look at the difference. It's lightweight, it's comfortable. I really feel like it lifts my lids.